Hey everybody, it's John Houlihan with EZG Manufacturing. Today we're going to look at the original lifter, the PM1AIR, look at how to assemble it, talk about some of the advantages to the PM1AIR. Comes with two heads now. Instead of the original 6-inch vinyl, we also got a 6x8-inch with memory foam. People ask, why would you use different ones? It has to do with the product, the size, ratio, different 3-piece sizes versus smaller. If some people call for custom jobs with maybe a 4x8 brick, we've got custom pads for that as well. So let's put the PM1AIR together. We got a maximum lifting capacity of 75 pounds. And for an air compressor, we need 6.5 CFM at 90 PSI. You can get that at Home Depot, Lowe's for about $400. And we're ready to lift. The biggest advantage with the PM1AIR, cost. Lower cost gets you your first piece of lifting equipment. It's going to lift probably 80% of the product you install day to day. You can do 3-piece, natural stone, dry cast paver, etc. We can always step up to the bigger projects when the time comes. Another little pro tip, when you're done on the project and you still got your PM1AIR out, you can press the button. The Venturi airflow that passes through is great for cleaning off your project when you're done. The grip hog is made up of very few simple parts. Everything's available from EZG. If you need anything or if you have a torn foam pad, just give us a call.